Hello, everybody. This is Walter, and this is video number 8 of my real life haunted ghost story. As I said, I would be delivering and posting it soon. So let's get right to it. So it's Halloween night on December 2009. So I had left a little bit earlier in the evening to get a couple of flashlights because I only had my main one and an extra one, and I bought some extra couple of batteries. And I did this because now the house where I was living at, and those so-called church, it was going to be a second church, as I mentioned in previous videos. You want to look at those, and while I was living there, and the lights were dark. The lights weren't working. So as I open the door and come right back in, I'm thinking to myself, okay, it's Halloween night, and at the same time, I am wondering to myself, I do not want something bad to happen in this place, which is already haunted. I've already experienced lots of haunted ghost stories, already throughout my time living here and there at the time. So, what I did was I quickly, after having dinner somewhere outside, I quickly turned on my Christian music that I was turning on, to get away the demons out of there, and all their bad spirits, so, they would not bother me. So I quickly, get, comfortable, dress. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I read a little bit of book, and then I quickly go to sleep. So then, after going to sleep, what happens was that I noticed it was like around, most likely after midnight, I hear from the left side, like there was like a ballroom place, and all of a sudden, coming from the big ballroom hall, I hear in my mind, I don't know if you guys heard this before, when rival gangs fight, it's called a rumble, when they have their their pipes, chains, knives, sticks, 2x4s, whatever have you, to fight the rival gang. This is what I hear, like, rah, a really loud noise, and then they pass through in front of my door, and they run screaming, rah, yeah, and they run right through, very loud, to the right side, and then they hit the wall, and then boom, all of a sudden, they disappear. I'm like, what the heck is going on here? And then, right when they stopped, or just a second before they stopped, right in front of me, I kid you not, it was almost like Freddy Krueger from Nightmare on Elm Street. I hear a big long scratch